Hello guys, my name is Sakwadi. In this video, I'll show you how you can update your Instagram app on your phone. So to update your Instagram app on your phone, first go to Play Store. In the search field, go to enter Instagram. Now it will prompt you for you to update your Instagram app on your phone. So click on update to update your Instagram app on your phone. So after updating all the necessary files, and you can open Instagram app on your phone by clicking on open. This will let new features or new upgrade that have been made on Instagram app to reflect on your Instagram app on your phone by updating Instagram app on your phone. Thank you for watching.